Herbs. Let's talk herbs and their health benefits. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being? Look no further than herbs. These versatile plants have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, offering an array of health benefits. From reducing inflammation to boosting immunity, there's an herb out there for every need. In this blog post, we'll explore the world of herbs, what they are, how to use them, and the different types available. So grab a cup of herbal tea and let's dive into the wonderful world of herbs. Herbs. What are they? Herbs are plants that have been used for medicinal, culinary, and aromatic purposes for centuries. They come in many different shapes, sizes, and flavors, ranging from fragrant basil to pungent garlic. While there's no official definition of what constitutes an herb, they can generally be identified by their leaves or other green foliage. Many herbs contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help boost our immune system, reduce inflammation, and even aid in digestion. In addition to their health benefits, herbs also offer a range of delicious flavors that can enhance the taste of any dish. Some popular examples of herbs include rosemary, thyme, sage, oregano, and mint. Each herb has its own unique flavor profile and health benefits. For example, rosemary is said to improve memory function while mint helps soothe upset stomachs. Herbs are a versatile plant with numerous uses beyond just cooking. They're a natural way to add flavor to your meals while also providing potential health benefits. How to use herbs. Herbs are versatile and can be used in various ways to enhance our health. Here are some tips on how to use herbs. 1. Infuse them into tea. One of the easiest ways to incorporate herbs into your daily routine is by using them as a tea infusion. Simply boil water, add your chosen herbs, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. 2. Add them to cooking. Herbs can be added fresh or dried as flavoring agents in cooking dishes such as soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. 3. Create herbal remedies. Many herbs have medicinal properties that can help with common ailments like headaches, digestive issues, and stress relief. Look up recipes for herbal remedies online or consult with an expert. 4. Use essential oils. Essential oils extracted from herbs can be used topically by adding them to massage oil or bathwater for relaxation benefits. 5. Decorate with them. Herbs make great decorative pieces when arranged in bouquets or placed around the house in vases or pots. By incorporating herbs into your daily life through these simple methods, you'll not only improve your health but also add vibrant flavors and scents to enrich your day-to-day experiences. The different types of herbs and their benefits. Herbs come in different types, each with its unique benefits. Some of the most common herbs include basil, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Basil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that make it beneficial to our overall health. Parsley is often used as a garnish but also contains nutrients such as vitamin C and K. It can also aid digestion and support kidney function due to its diuretic properties. Sage has been traditionally used for medicinal purposes like improving memory retention and reducing anxiety levels. Furthermore, it possesses antioxidant compounds that can protect against oxidative stress. Rosemary has both culinary and medicinal uses. It adds flavor to dishes while also containing anti-cancer compounds like carnosic acid that may inhibit tumor growth. Thyme contains antifungal agents that could help fight infections caused by fungi. It's also packed with vitamins C and A, which are essential for boosting immunity. Incorporating various herbs into your diet or using them as natural remedies can provide several health benefits due to their potent phytochemicals. How to integrate herbs into our daily lives. Integrating herbs into our daily lives is easier than we think. It doesn't require a complete overhaul of our routines, but rather small changes that can make a big difference in our health and well-being. One simple way to incorporate herbs is by adding them to your meals. Fresh or dried herbs are the perfect addition to any dish, from soups and stews to salads and sandwiches. Not only do they add flavor, they also provide numerous health benefits. Another way to integrate herbs into your routine is through herbal teas. Sipping on some chamomile or lavender tea before bed can help promote relaxation and better sleep quality. Ginger tea can aid digestion, while peppermint tea can soothe an upset stomach. You could also try using essential oils for aromatherapy purposes throughout the day. A few drops of lemon oil in your diffuser can uplift your mood and improve focus during work hours. Growing some fresh herbs at home can be a fun hobby that allows you to have access to fresh ingredients whenever you need them. It's a great way to save money too. Incorporating herbs into our daily lives may seem like a small change, but it has the potential for significant positive effects on both physical and mental well-being. How to use herbs. Herbs have been used for centuries to enhance the flavor of food, but they are also incredibly versatile in their uses. There are numerous ways to incorporate herbs into your daily life, and below we'll explore a few different methods. One of the easiest ways is to use fresh or dried herbs when cooking. Adding basil to tomato sauce or rosemary to roasted potatoes can take a dish from good to great. You can also infuse oils with herbs, which can be used for dressings or marinades. Another way is through teas and tinctures. Herbal teas offer many health benefits such as aiding digestion and reducing stress levels. Tinctures are concentrated extracts that can be added to water or taken directly under the tongue. Herbs can also be used topically, either by applying essential oils directly onto the skin or creating salves using infused oils. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties, while peppermint oil has pain-relieving qualities. You could consider growing your own herb garden at home. This ensures that you always have fresh herbs on hand whenever you need them. There are countless ways in which you can use herbs. Experiment and find what works best for you. Recipes with herbs. Recipes with herbs are a great way to incorporate these powerful plants into our daily diets. Herbs can add flavor, nutrition, and medicinal benefits to any meal. One simple recipe is to make an herb-infused olive oil by heating up olive oil in a pan with your desired herbs. This can then be used as a dressing or marinade for salads, meats, or vegetables. Another easy recipe is homemade herbal tea blends. Simply mix together dried herbs like chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm for a relaxing bedtime tea, or peppermint, ginger, and lemon for digestion support. Herbs can also be added to smoothies for an extra boost of antioxidants and nutrients. Try adding fresh mint leaves to your morning smoothie, or blend up some parsley with cucumber and apple juice for a refreshing green drink. For those who love baking, herbs like rosemary or thyme can be added to breads or savory muffins for delicious flavor combinations. And don't forget about using fresh herbs like basil on top of pizzas, pastas, sandwiches, and more. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating herbs into our recipes. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and combinations. Conclusion. Herbs are a wonderful addition to our diets and can provide numerous health benefits. From reducing inflammation to improving digestion and boosting immunity, herbs offer a natural way to maintain good health. By incorporating different types of herbs into our daily routine, we can take advantage of their unique properties and enjoy their delicious flavors in a variety of dishes. Whether it's adding fresh basil to pasta sauce or brewing a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime, there are countless ways to use herbs in the kitchen. So why not start experimenting with some new recipes today? By learning more about these amazing plants and how they can benefit us, we can make better choices for our well-being while enjoying some truly delicious food along the way.